Count and tick the correct answer. This is an apple. It has some seeds. Seeds are more than 10 or less than 10. Let us find out. Let's count the number of seeds in this apple. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this apple has 5 seeds. Tell me students, 5 is more than 10 or less than 10? Tell me. Correct. 5 is less than 10. So this apple has less than 10 seeds. Now let us solve this example. Sticks. This is a bundle of sticks. Let us find out whether they are more than 10 or less than 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So, there are total 12 sticks in this bundle. Tell me students, 12 is more than 10 or less than 10? Think and tell me. 12 more than 10 or less than 10? Correct. 12 is more than 10. Let us take this example. Chocolates in a box. Let's find out whether these chocolates are more than 20 or less than 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are total 15 chocolates in this box. Tell me students, 15 is more than 20 or less than 20? Think and tell me. Correct. 50 is less than 20. 15 is less than 20. Now let us solve this example. There are some apples on the board. These apples are arranged in pairs. Let us find out whether total number of apples is more than 10 or less than 10. Let's count. There are 2 pairs in the first row. There are 2 pairs in the second row. So there are total 4 pairs consisting 2 apples in each pair. So tell me students, there are how many total apples? 4 pairs containing 2 apples each. That is equal to 8. So there are total 8 apples. Tell me students, 8 is more than 10 or less than 10? 8 more than 10? No. Correct. 8 is less than 10. So our correct answer is less than 10. So 8 is less than 10? Let's solve this example. There are stars on the board. These stars are arranged in pairs. Let's find out whether total number of stars are more than 20 or less than 20. Let's count. There are total 5 pairs in the first row and 6 pairs in the second row. So tell me students, what is the total number of pairs? 5 plus 6, that is equal to 11. So there are total 11 pairs containing 2 stars each. Tell me students, now what is the total number of stars? 11 pairs with 2 stars each. So that is equal to 22. So we have 22 stars. Now tell me students, whether 22 is more than 20 or less than 20? Think and tell me. More than 20 or less than 20? Correct. 22 is more than 20. 22 is more than 20.